Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes, art challenges to try in your own style. This art challenge is to make a stained glass version of one of your favorite things. For this art challenge you will need crayons or oil pastels and watercolor paint. Because the crayon is waxy, it will resist the watercolor and prevent the spread of color and paint. This will be perfect for painting in the style of stained glass. I begin by drawing one of my favorite things with a big black crayon. I chose to paint a paint palette because I enjoy painting and making art. I also add a few extra lines with the crayon to create spaces for different colors of watercolor paint. Next, I will fill each shape with a color to create a stained glass style painting. Let's check out how all of that is going. Notice how the orange paint does not spread past the black line I made in crayon. Because of crayon's waxy texture, the paint does not spread. The water in the paint is stopped by the wax and stays right where I put it. This art challenge is inspired by the artist Victor Solomon, who makes stained glass basketball hoops. He uses actual cut and colored glass to make beautiful backboards. He really values basketball and likes to use his artistic talents to elevate the sport into something elegant, fancy, and extraordinary. Although my paint palette is not made of actual stained glass, the black crayon lines and watercolor paint look similar enough. My final step is to cut out my creation with a pair of scissors before I celebrate my artistic achievement. I do hope you try this art challenge out for yourself. Simply draw and paint something from one of your hobbies or interests in a stained glass style, and remember to be proud of what you made. Try this in your own style and remember that yours can be a doodle or a masterpiece. Either way, happy making, artists, and enjoy!